Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 with the 2.5 liter Skyactiv technology motor. And we are going to go over how you check your engine oil and add engine oil. So in the center of the engine we have the oil dipstick, which you're able to pull and remove. We're going to wipe it clean. And we reinsert it and then pull it back out and see that our oil level is a little on the full side, and that could be because I'm holding it upside down, but we want it to be in between the two dots there, and that's where we would want our engine oil to be. Now if your engine oil was on the lower dot, it's still on the dipstick and the low dot, there's generally 1 quart between those two lines, so you know you would just need to add 1 quart. If it's any lower than that, then of course you need to add a bunch more. But that's a small indicator there. Now if you need to add engine oil, this is your filler cap here. We twist that a 1/4 turn to the left to remove and be able to put our engine oil in here. Use a funnel if needs be, and to be able to put the oil in, and then when you're done, this says it takes a 0W20, then you'll put your cap back on, twist that a 1/4 turn to the right until it's locked on, and that's where you would check and add engine oil to your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.